How to install a video kit on a construction machine. First, find the power source for the screen. In this configuration, we use the power supply from the machine's radio. This can also be found at the fuse box or the cigarette lighter socket. Once the power source is located, find the location of the hole allowing the passage of the extension cable. If it doesn't exist, create one. At the rear of the vehicle, drill 3 holes for the camera support and the cable passage. Run the camera cable through the hole and attach the camera support. The camera cable has a protective seal. In addition to this protection, we recommend that you add a sheath to avoid any section of the cable. Then, attach the camera cover and the camera to the holder. Finally, connect the camera and secure the cable while directing it towards the cabin. For this step, secure the monitor using its bracket. Connect the camera cable to one of the monitor's video inputs. Connect the video display to its power cable. You can use lugs or solder it directly to the chosen power supply. Once the display's power is connected, reconnect the radio and reposition it in its slot. Switch on the ignition and press on to turn on the screen. And finally, adjust the camera for an optimal visibility.